Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ferry Setiawan. My name 2019 11660. The effect of using English authentic reading material on the grade student reading comprehension given at SMA Negeri 1 Tempurjo. Abstract. Reading is one of many ways to acquire information, where people can find it from television and internet, as reading dominates all activities in the English subject. The language combines namely pronunciation, grammar, and vocabulary should also be learned to support the language skill. Based on the English teacher interview results that authentic reading materials have never been used by the teacher. Reading comprehension on the English grade student of Junior High School of SMA Negeri 1 Tempurjo, Jember. So it was necessary to conduct a research in the school. Introduction. As reading dominates all activities in the English subject, the language combines namely pronunciation, grammar, and vocabulary should also be learned to support the language skill, especially reading. Usually, vocabulary or grammar of reading are taught ready text gallery when 1996 status that it is important from the student to link the different language skills of the language taught to activities. In fact, reading comprehension skill is the basic skill in the learning English. Therefore, every activity in English class involves reading. Communicates meaning in the manifestation rather than for demonstrating knowledge of grammar of lexical item. Reading is a receptive skill where a reader decodes meaning from the author's thinking to support the idea. Carrel et al. 1988 get to step. Reading is viewed as the decoding process of reconstructing in printed letter and word and building for a text from the smallest textual unit at the bottom. Letter and word to largest and largest unit at the top. Passes cloud and intersocial link grace. Examless, the main idea is tested in the first semester. Heka and a combat in the mountain lies began as was very beautiful and very winter. The air was fresh. The location of our combat was on the top of a hill, so we could see the scenery around us. It was amazing. It was grand. Every everywhere is was also easy to get water as it was near a small river. You see, the water is clear as a crystal. We brought a lot of food from home. There were not less can of sardines, soft drink, and biscuit. Hika brought choking as for choking noodles. Question. What does the paragraph about tell about? Answer. Hika's and the author's experience on the main idea is stated in the first stanza of the paragraph. Imlet's main idea. Hika and the command in the mountain last weekend was very beautiful and very quiet there. The air was fresh, the location of the combine was on the top of a hill, so we could see the amazing is all green everywhere. Question. What does the paragraph about tell about? Answer. How to plant sunflower. The two specific information about support the main idea that I how to wash clothes by using a washing machine. According to Sustina 2010, there are two factors that influence the student reading comprehension achievement, and they are related to age or the are internal factor and external factor. A magazine is a publication issued at regular interval. The period informs the entertainment. The Watch Book Encyclopedia 1966 and according to Measure 1995 magazine and printed periodical which is usually issued weekly on Monday. The content of magazine varies so as article, stories, pictorial, sport, travel, ads. And so on. The last and imagines recount is an unreal event or story so as reading text for language lesson and story about life of a slave and so on. From the exclamation about in can be concluded that the first type and the second type of recount the text suitable with authentic materials. The general characteristic of recount text. Reacts methods. The thing that was used in this reaction was a quasi-experimental reaction design with non-equivalent group of process only design MC Milan 1992. It was intended to convey of not the use of authentic material has a significant effect on reading conflict activate experiment group of district of this race, but the script of follow. The English text to get the information needed to complete the main data. During the interview, a list of questions related to the information were set the interview guide. Read finding and discussion. To support the primary data, the supporting that were obtained through the interview with the English teacher and documentation. The interview was conducted with the English teacher of the week grade student. The A grade students were given to 5 class, different from the other class because it was a superior class in the class ability. Therefore, it was excluded. The curriculum was for the 8th grade student of SMPN 1 Tumberjo, was international based curriculum. Conclusion and suggestion. The role of data analysis of the statistical value of significant column was lower time is could be calculate the use of English authentic reading material has a significant effect on the grade student reading comprehension extract of SMPN 1 Tumberjo Jember in the academic year. Terima kasih.